And another memories that I remember about my dad is like, whistle siya ng whistle. Natatakot siguro my mom, the whistle will be gone one day. And now, my mom wouldn't hear the whistle anymore. It's so the whole day. That's what we hear at home. And people started to like him. He's so funny. People who were going through like struggles in life, they said, "Oh my God, we'll miss Lolo in the vlog." And now I will miss him because hindi na ko na siya makakasama sa vlog. And I'm making money out of it. So Lolo, bakit mo ako iniwan? I'll be the only one making people laugh. Thank you guys, and to everyone who came, supported us, each and every one of you. Thank you so much. We will not forget all of this. Thank you so much, guys. No bashing, it's for fun. Thank you. So guys, miss na miss ko talaga si Daddy and yung mga siblings ko. And siya ang alam ko nagpatawa, nagpasaya rin sa inyo. And mamimiss natin siya sa vlog. And okay, to everyone who's there to support our family, each and every one of you, I thank you guys for all the love and support. Kasi it means so much to our family during this difficult time. We really need support. And thank you so much for loving Daddy. And nababasa ko yung mga comments nyo. Talagang naiyak ako sa mga messages nyo for my dad. Sobrang miss na miss ko siya. And thank you so much, guys. Okay? So, for now, I need a short break, but I will be back soon because I know ito yung gusto ng daddy ko na ituloy ko. Kasi sabi niya, proud na proud daw siya sa akin. And I know, nakikita niya sa vlog, laging nagsusungit ang suplado. I know, he's watching me from heaven. And of course, my message to my dad, I know you're there and be our guardian angel here and always watch over us. And Dad, magparamdam ka naman. I miss you so much. I'm always waiting. Nag-dream na ako ng once. So, sana every night, kahit Daddy sabihin mo, tumahimik ako, I'll still be waiting for you sa dream ko, ha? Magparamdam ka naman, ha? Sobrang miss na miss ka na namin. So, I love you, Daddy. And guys, I love you so much. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Sobrang kong na-appreciate niyo yung support niyo and love for the family. And I hope na-enjoy niyo tong tribute natin for Daddy. Kasi hindi na natin siya makakasama sa vlog. And I hope nag-enjoy kayo watching this. Thank you. I wanna hug him! He's so cute, I wanna hug him!